Trim tabs, anybody? If you've got a low fluid reservoir on a Bennett hydraulic trim tab, I'll show you how to fill it back up again. First of all, this is the mechanism that holds the fluid. You can see the fluid will be in that white reservoir at the bottom. And before you ask what kind of fluid do you put in it, it says fill with automatic transmission fluid, ATF. So that's simple. It's available even at the grocery store, so you can buy it anywhere. To refill it, undo the screw, pull the dust cap off, and there is the electric motor and the two solenoids. One is to deploy the trim tab, the other is to retract the trim tab, but the place to fill it is kind of tricky. Right here. Let me put a flashlight on it. See that right there? You actually pull that plug out. That's easy enough to do. But now you've got to get the teeny tiniest funnel available and put it right there so you can fill it up. There's no easy way to do this. So you've either got to get the tiniest funnel available to fill it, or you can get a little straw or a rubber hose on your 1 quart ATF bottle to fill it back up. Look in the side to make sure that it's filled up to the proper level. Put your plug back in it. Put the dust cover back on top. And that's only half of the job. The other half of the job is finding out where the leak is. You got to stop the leak or you'll be doing this more often than you care to. If you want to learn more about DIY, do-it-yourself boat system repairs, not for a mechanic but for a boat owner, join us in Florida, February 2025 for our Cruising 101 and for our Introduction to Boat Systems class. If you have any questions, ask Captain Chris or click on the link below.